Good morning, my people from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. This is Jason Rondon from JR Hardwood for Refinishing and Cleaning. At this time of the day, we are here in Parker, Colorado, in a beautiful house where I'm gonna be doing a screening and recoat to a small area. It's about 250 square feet in the kitchen. We came here like a month ago, and immediately the homeowner booking the spot. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna turn around the camera and show you guys what are we gonna do here. Okay, guys, this is the yard of the house. It's huge. It's huge, but it's in a very good shape. As you can see, the grass is green. It's beautiful. There is a lot of stone over there in the top, and also right now the homeowner have some workers putting some kind of river stone on the next to the fence over there, all that area. So yeah, right now the homeowner is taking care of the house in some aspects that it needed, but it's a beautiful house. As you can see, this furniture set here, and also they have a hot tub over there. So anyway, guys, it's a beautiful yard that this homeowner has. So anyway, I'm gonna get into the kitchen and show you guys what are we gonna do. Also, this is Luna. She's a 3-pot cat. So as you can see, she doesn't have one of her pot in the back, but it's a beautiful cat. According to the homeowner, she was rescued in a shelter, and they decide to adopt her. But anyway, guys, here is the kitchen where I'm gonna be doing the screen and recoat process. It's a small area, like I said. So yeah, but to be honest, guys, this floor is not really in bad shape. Of course, has been for the last 5 years with no any kind of professional treatment. You can see micro scratches on the wood that we are gonna be doing the best that we can do with the screen and recoat process to, of course, eliminate all those micro scratches. And also here in this small area, we are gonna be doing a small color correction around the edges of this figure here. And right here, this is a small guest restroom. So anyway, guys, this is what are we gonna be doing today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're here. I already did, like you can see, the small test to see how much abrasion I'm gonna have with the machine. It's perfect like that. So I'm gonna be doing the whole kitchen like I said before. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, it's time to clean attack after we screen the floor and we do the vacuum. Now we're cleaning attack, and in this process is when you really can see if you have any kind of imperfection, because this is gonna be a mirror or how the floor is gonna look after we put the polish. So you guys can see how beautiful is gonna look this floor after we're done. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, polish down. Oh my goodness, this floor is gonna look amazing. So as you can see, it's wet now. We are just gonna leave and come back in 2.5 hours and we'll see the results. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, this is the final result of this small project, around 260 square feet. As you can see, the beauty again of this floor came out. So this is a small area here in the kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful. Remember that jar, guys? Oh my God, this view is beautiful, beautiful. But anyway, guys, this is the beauty of this process that we do, screen and recoat. If you guys want to do it at your home, don't hesitate and contact us, and we'll be happy to go to your home and do it for you. As a professional maintenance company, see you guys next time. Stay tuned.